Hey everybody, how you doing? NASCAR Gander Truck Series at Myrtle Beach Speedway. I'll be in the UPS Ford F-150 number 11 truck today. I'm starting 7th in a field of 22. Race length is 120 laps, that equals 67 miles. Myrtle Beach Speedway, South Carolina, a 0.56 mile D-oval short track, 13-degree banking in the turns, 4-degree banking on the front stretch, 3-degree banking on the back. Myrtle Beach is known for having what I'm going to call cannonballs sunk into the concrete. These cannonballs are the delineating line from the exit of pit road into turns 1 and 2. All right, truck series at Myrtle Beach. Let's shave off a little bit of safety rating here. All right, there are 22 trucks in this race. I thought there was like 28 in the practice lobby, but maybe not everybody came on over. 16 trucks qualified. I'm the number 11 seed truck, and I qualified 7th. Where I pulled that 19158 out, I have no freaking idea. I was at a 195 in practice. I got down to a 192, but wow. Using a virtual racing school setup. As I mentioned in my other video, I've linked up with them, subscribed to them, using their stuff. I used it at Texas in the Cup car, and I'm using it here. I kind of like it. It feels good. Myrtle Beach, though, is a bear to run here with these trucks. A lot of power, a lot of wheel spin. You have to go slow in order to go fast, and that's the way it feels. Some of my fastest laps felt like the ones that I had really screwed up, but those were the ones that I was smooth at, and then cracked off some really good lap times. So, you know, I'm pretty new to these trucks and definitely on the short track here. So, wow. I didn't think I'd be up this high, like I said, where I pulled that 158 out.
3 additional sets of tires for this race. Be smooth and have a good run.
So there's some plenty fast trucks behind me. I have no doubt that I'm going to have to get out of some of these guys' way. There was a lot of spinning in the open practice. We'll just see if these guys got it together. And hey, by the way, I spun several times too. So, this is a very precise, methodical track here with these trucks. With this setup in my practice, I found out that you have got to be off of the brakes when you start your steering wheel turn coming out of 1 and 2 here, otherwise the rear end's coming around. I saw a lot of guys lose it there, not so much in 3 and 4 here.
All right, buddy, get ready here. That main car's off there, buddy, on the go.
He went already. Yep.
Caution, sorry, caution. The road's closed.
That's exactly how it happens. He was on the brakes and turned the wheel and the rear end floated. And it almost happened to me in turn 1 there on the start. I was coming in a little hotter than I should have been behind that line of trucks, so I got lucky. I don't know, I kind of had to jerk the wheel to the right to keep me going in a straight line. You know the phrase, don't overdrive it. Boy, that's 10 times as valuable here. Just don't overdrive it, David. Something that I have not experimented with in most of these setups here in either the XFINITY or the Gander trucks, I thought that they had fixed gear ratios per track, just like the Cup car does, but apparently they do not. You can change the rear end if you wish. I have not done so yet. I'm just using whatever they're providing, and that seems to work so far.
Alright, bud. Start inside.
Or are we going to go early again? Nope, he's going to hold us down now. There he goes. And that's what I kind of feared.
Water, pressure, temperature in there.
Everything looks good, Chad. And theoretically, we can do what we just did for the next 120 laps, and I'll come away with a 5th place finish.
I'm going to want to go, Boston. He'll be laying up on the inside. In behind the 2. 41.959.
I'm going to start in 3rd gear here this time because I've been, going through the gears pretty damn quick. Almost got a little loose there in 2nd coming around the corner there, so we'll see what happens. Almost got the rear end over.
Outside. Still there on your corner outside. Clear high.
You can have it, you can have it.
Still there. Still outside. Clear high. 19.927.
That was a good lap. 20's falling off already. He's going to be a caution. Darren freaking Tia. And here it is.
19.501.
Go right ahead and get up there and play with them.
19.787.
But I think that 20's holding us all up.
19.821.
I have no problem giving these positions up because something will happen up here in the 5-pack that's ahead of me. Pulling away from the trucks that are behind me. That's net positive. Okay, the white truck is got to move on the. There it is. Told you. Wasn't who I thought it was going to be.
The road is closed.
All right, we get to change tires every 30 laps if we want to. I imagine that will happen. I'll be surprised if it doesn't. Excellent. No fuel.
Don't mind it behind the 9. Alright, so we're going to have to come around the 20.
Ooh, what happened to the 20?
Looks like you should be lining up behind the 9.
Speeding, maybe? Okay, gonna have to be aware of him coming on up through.
Well, one to go. Lining up on the inside, it looks like. 39.054. Alright, we need to be behind this one. Did a really good job, man. Let's open another tug real quick. Brother, you do your thing.
God damn it.
33.2. Five, outside.
This is not a caution.
In and out. Outside only. Multi.
That's absurd.
Inside, clear.
Looking up in the rearview mirror, didn't even see that truck spin. Well, that's it. Nope, it will not run. Well, that's a crapper. Felt pretty good there for a while. Wow, I got
5, 4.
seemed like a pretty light hit to blow the engine.
Stop on the side.
And I can't believe there was no caution. Now there is. Not that would, I had a shitload of repair, so no matter what. But, well, that's a shitter, so I'll probably be back sometime the week. This is only Tuesday. All right, let's go to Chicagoland. Xfinity car. All righty. Well, hey, that was a short one. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you next time.